The past few weeks have been very busy with visitors, gators, ducks, and Firetrucks. With this gator patrolling the pond, I decided not to fish out any golf balls. Ed threw a 90th surprise birthday party for his wife. It was Hawaiian themed, and a couple surfer dudes showed up. Lighthouse Ministries did a fundraising comedy night.
Bookstore. A video? Yes, it's a workout video at the Christian bookstore.
At the Christian bookstore. What's it called?
It's called But for the Grace of God.
I helped Fred with his annual pancake breakfast. Went to the Texas Roadhouse for a steak dinner with Jim and Janet and their granddaughter. They make fresh baked buns daily, and boy were they ever good. Okay, Blue Jays, let's play ball. And they won 5-4. We went to this great Mexican restaurant with Dean and Charlotte Ventling. You can hear the fire trucks. They're starting to come. There's no fire. They've just been doing some construction work in the building, and somebody tried to clean up shop vac, and the dust set off the fire alarm.
First floor, room 104. Well, that's, I think.
Every morning at 6:15, Leroy and Fred head to McDonald's for coffee, and there's some of us that will join them periodically. I learned a new game this year, cornhole toss. Orlando Airport, waiting to pick up Dan and Jenica and spending a few hours with them before they go to their conference. Spring has sprung here in Florida, and the trees are budding. Everything is looking beautiful. Here's a sign you don't see in Canada. Is that fire ant? took a walk around Lake Morton to see all the ducks and birds.
There's a whole pecking order for getting.
Can I give you anything? But I just wanted to see you. Do you think that's Mama? They really came over thinking I had something up.
All the nesting areas are roped off, and this black swan is pruning her nest, grabbing twigs and sticks and grass to fluff it up. Thanks for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so you can keep up with the latest of Aquila adventures.